Operating a fleet in snowy conditions, these are the emergency things that you need to make sure that your trucks are equipped with to get successful jobs done. The first thing is obviously you want to stay off the road if possible, but if you have to get out there and do services and make deliveries, this is what you need to do. The first thing is you want to make sure that your truck is completely wiped away of any sort of debris. You don't want to be the guy that's driving on the road and having tons of ice chunks flying off their truck. Speaking of being able to have visibility, your wiper blades and your windshield wiper fluid need to be rated for the climate that you're in. I see too many times where a vehicle is just left from Florida and they were able to get a windshield wiper detergent that didn't have anything like antifreeze in it. So what happens is you'll come drive up the coast here from a nice sunny summer climate into the wintertime, and now you're not able to actually clean your windshield because your windshield wiper fluid has frozen. Once you've made sure that you have good windshield wiper fluid, you want to make sure that your wipers are also great. If you have good solid new wipers, you'll make sure that you'll have great visibility without any sort of concerns with keeping that windshield clear. At that point, you need to check your tires to make sure that your tread is in good condition. You want to have great tread, and you want to make sure you have the right type of tire. You don't want to have a summer tire or a performance tire in a snowy condition. The compounds will become too hard and won't grip the road. The last thing you want to do is check your tire pressure. The colder it is, the lower your tire pressure gets. And if your tire pressure is too low, you'll end up having less control, more roll resistance, and burn more fuel. On this trim panel right here, or on this panel right here, we have our tire loading information. And here it'll tell you the original tire size as well as the recommended pressure. So make sure that you have cleaned your truck off, you have good windshield wiper fluid, you've got great windshield wipers, you've got great tread, and that your tire pressure is where it needs to be. Blair with Revit Auto, thanks for watching, and as always, happy motoring.